As of July 2026, the Department of War's generative AI landscape has moved into a new phase. For the past year, many users understood enterprise AI through one familiar name, NIPRGPT. It gave authorized personnel a practical way to experiment with prompt-based tools on government networks. But that NIPRGPT centered era is now winding down. The key change is the rollout of GenAI.mil GenAI. MIL is the new secure access point for the Department of War's latest artificial intelligence tools. Instead of treating generative AI as a single pilot, a side channel, or a one-off workspace, the department is shifting toward an enterprise platform model. One destination, governed access, and a clearer path for approved users to reach current tools. That matters because the mission environment is different from the commercial internet. Department users are not just asking for faster drafting or better search. They need AI access that fits secure networks, authorized identity, policy boundaries, and operational discipline. So, what changed? First, NIPRGPT is no longer the center of gravity. Its sunset means users should not frame the current landscape around the older tool. If your mental map still starts with NIPRGPT, it is time to update that map. Second, Gen AI. Mail is now the platform to watch. The name signals a broader approach. Department-level access to approved generative AI capabilities delivered through a secure environment for authorized users. Third, access is restricted. Gen AI. Mail is not a public AI website, and it is not available from personal devices or open networks. It is strictly for authorized users within Department of War networks. That restriction is not a footnote. It is the core design principle. And where does CamelGPT fit? CamelGPT remains part of the enterprise Gen AI tooling conversation, but it should be understood in context. The July 2026 landscape is not simply NIPRGPT versus CamelGPT. It is a broader transition toward Gen AI, Mail as the secure platform layer for current and future approved tools. CamelGPT's status belongs inside that enterprise framework, not outside it. For military technology stakeholders, the takeaway is simple. The department is moving from early access and experimentation toward a more structured, governed Gen AI environment. That shift affects training, user guidance, communications, and adoption. Teams should make sure the materials, briefings, and expectations reflect the July 2026 reality. NIPRGPT is sunsetting. Gen AI, MIL is rolling out. CamelGPT is part of the broader enterprise landscape, and access remains limited to authorized users on Department of War networks. For those eligible to participate, this is the moment to align with the new platform model, follow approved access procedures, and stay current as the enterprise Gen AI environment evolves. Gen AI, MIL, secure, authorized, mission-focused AI access for the Department of War. Join today